Guys, papunta kami ngayon, guys.
No? Pag may ganyan, no? Doon siguro tayo. Doon ba tayo? Yung white sand?
Ayan yung cultivation.
Pero masaya na po doon kasi sobrang linaw ang tubig. Doon sa una natin.
Saka may mga lalaki rin doon.
Ako, lalaki po.
Buang, ayan yung pier dyan. Makikita mo yung pier dyan. Piero Balatero.
Ang ano, pero na balitero.
Makikita mo yung pier ng Balatero.
Oh?
Oh, lagi.
Ilahi radyo diri. For the video daw, ay, share your vlog please.
Pura magbutuwat ko yun. Maggunit sa kayot.
Yawa, si Bayo ikaw lang ako matos pa man ko.
Ay, ayun, iho yun to.
Ha?
Iho.
Yawa, bagyo. Oo nga, wait lang. Kalma ka lang.
Ayan. Heart of Mindoro Oriental.
Nasaan ang heart?
Ay, ito, makikita mo na.
Makita ng heart. Wala
Ay.
pa, tahi pa ako nakita.
Dahil ang alikod dito, oh.
Oo.
Ay, daga may bangka.
Tatayo ka, parang Miss Philippines sa Kataki, gusto lang. Parang i-tour ka namin dito sa Mindoro. Ganito, I love Mindoro because marami kang makikita ng magagandang tanawin. Tumayo ka. Pero yung utong mo, sobra. Oh, lahi na siya. Ang lahi kayo, kakulay sa damit.
Dahil na siya kay ito, demonyo mangka. Dito tayo sa Kwanyot.
Heart of Asia.
Heart of Asia. Ay, nag-hitaw dito yun.
Doon ko walang putang ina. Ay, babalikan pa ba yung silang kuya? Babalikan.
Papunta kami ngayon sa Heart of Asia. Yes, we're going to... Hello. Ano yung ilalim mo? Ayun yun, Port yun. Ayun yun, kita mo na Port yun. Sa
Ano
likod.
yan yung may parang kulay dilaw?
Ayun ba, kita mo na Port sa likod.
Bundok yan, tanga.
Tingnan mo, Port yan sa likod.
saan? Bundok pa yan, tanga.
Abog-gut ka.
Wala, bundok.
Buta, masiguro ka.
Bubo, bundok yan. Nasaan ang port? Wala, bundok, bubo.
Para sa likod, oh.
Palikod. Hala, dito tayo. Uy, ang ganda.
Ang ganda!
Uy, tatalbugan natin yung grabe. Hindi ako mapapicture. Mahal lang akong talent fee.
17,000.
Hala, ganda dito tahimik, no? No?
Aray!
Uy, alayan daw, di ba? Natalya pa ba ka na? Hawakan mo.
Alalayan.
Abo.
Parang takas si Natalia. Mamaya na yung vlog mo.
Bugkot na taas manggod ni. Mabasa. Wala bugkot eh.
Akong bag nabasa na. Thank you, ha? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Aray ko.
Baba. Wait lang. Bakit makababa? Sobrang lalim ng mundo. Teka lang. Pakili ka na mukbang.
Paano ako makahakbang? Hala, nabasa na bag ni Abi.
Ibitay ba? Ibitay.
Bayot, wabay mga credit card, ani.
Sabi na yung wallet.
Hala, buang na.
Ibitay ba? Para matindi ko kainit.
Na,
Kainit ba?
dire na.
Ayun ka din ba?
Mawala diha, buang ka.
Kuya. Natalia, tulungan mo si Kuya.
Aray! Aray! Aray ka! Hindi ko kaya yung yellow. Hi girls! How are you?
Uy, ginoo ko. Ibutang na.
How are you? How are you? Where are you from? Ah! Let's join to my vlog for today. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Can you please join? Say- Ah! Yes. Where are you from again?
Belgium.
Belgium. Yeah.
Belgium.
What is your name?
Chloe.
Oh, my name is Natalia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. My name is Natalia.
My name is
Opo, you're super sexy. Promise. You two?
Huh? Yeah.
Two along?
We're doing an island opening. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have friends, but they stay at the hotel. Yeah.
At the hotel.
Yeah.
And then you told Alan here to go here.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you willing to shut drink something like word for something maybe this time?
Maybe next time. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow we're going to Calapan.
Oh.
Yeah.
So next time.
Why not right now?
Right now we are doing the island hopping, and then after we are going to another beach. So,
Yes. Think something like gin, Philippine alcohol.
maybe next time.
Or not?
Not now.
Are you not drinking? How old are you right now?
We are 20.
20?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm at 24.
Oh, okay.
How old about you?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm shocked.
You think that how old do you give me?
11.
What?
Really? That's true. Oh my God. So you two, that is your boat man.
Yeah.
So you two of us going. Fran,
Okay.
her name is Abby Maria.
Having Maria.
Yes, her name is Abby Maria.
Hi. Belgium.
Belgium, yeah.
So far.
So far,
Ano?
right? So far, so far. I'm,
That building is nice.
my voice is lost because I'm singing last night and then my voice is lost
You're
because.
only two?
We have friends there. But we didn't
And then where's your friend? We come back? We come back or no?
How many
Your
you
friend
are
is come back here or not?
We're like 8. But we didn't want it to like wake up early, so it's only the 2 of us.
Oh,
Okay.
oh. So your friend has come back here or not?
What?
Your friend has come back here or
They're
not?
at the hotel. At the
Stay at that. So you two stay here
Yeah,
with the boatman.
yeah.
Oh,
But they're
that's
at the
right.
hotel.
So nice.
So I would like to thank you first of all to both of you. I would like to thank you because I like your hair, promise. I like that hair. Yeah, you know that? I like that hair.
Yeah.
Yes. You know why? Philippines is that is a
No.
is that a normal?
Yes, yes.
How old are you?
Is that a normal for about like hair?
20 also.
20, right?
She thought that I was 11.
I'm think she's 11.
No,
I think she's 11.
no, she's not.
Not really?
Yeah, really, she's not.
You have idea?
Not on us.
Natalia.
Natalia.
Natalia, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
This is my nice.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Unsa may tawag ka na ganing ginamit sa baby?